Hi, it's Matt and Jillian once again welcoming you into our kitchen for episode 2 of Meal with the Missus. Thanks to all of you who reached out with feedback and in some cases compliments on episode 1, which was curry. Sounds exotic, sounds maybe complicated, but I think as you showed, it really isn't. It's very accessible and also very versatile.
And I really love hearing from you guys. I know everyone is cooped up at home, so hopefully trying out some exotic recipes, as Matt is saying. So today with the sweet potato hash, as Matt mentioned, it's very easy. Grab what produce you have, vegetables you have. Sweet potatoes obviously are the main part, but we like to use peppers, onions, mushrooms. We've used carrots, we've used broccoli. Throw it all in. If you want, you can also put egg on top, an avocado, but if you are vegan, you do not have to do that. So for our vegan friends, this is a wonderful alternative.
Do we have vegan friends? I feel like we're the ones who are the quote-unquote weird eaters. And Exhibit A, and that is my bulletproof diet roadmap. I got this about 4 years ago, just before Lucas was born, I think. What a time to start a new diet. But sweet potatoes is right at the top in terms of healthy starch.
My family is in the produce business, and my sister said that potatoes were getting bought out like crazy, but there was always sweet potatoes. So next time you're at the grocery store, if the potatoes are wiped out, don't freak out. Grab a bag of sweet potatoes, and hopefully this recipe will show you a nice new alternative for how you can cook either breakfast or dinner.
Well, I'm salivating already. Let's get to the action as we get ready to dig in for a hearty breakfast, or as Jillian said, any time of day, the sweet potato hash.
So we have our ingredients here for this particular batch. We are using peppers, onions, mushrooms, and then obviously sweet potatoes. So we're going to start by peeling the sweet potatoes. If you do have a food processor, just begin chopping it so that it's small enough to fit in there, and then push it through and have fun. Now to the actual cooking. So we're going to get some oil heated up in the pan, and then eventually we will be adding our vegetables. We're going to season it with salt and pepper. I do not like recipes that say to taste, but in this one it really is to taste. And for chopping up the vegetables, I do like to have them diced fine. I know in our previous one when we did curry, we said you could do large chunks, but for this one, the finer the better.
Mushrooms are technically fungus.
You're making more work for you to edit. Additionally, as a side, we like to add bacon for our sweet potato hash. You can use sausage or no meat as well. We like to do over easy on this. It just kind of makes it a little bit easier to eat with the runniness of the egg. You can do scrambled as well. And then finally, one thing that you can add once everything is done and you're kind of putting this together is avocado. So slice it up. Please be careful getting the pit out of the avocado, but just make it into little slices, and then this is going to go on top. So eventually you're going to be assembling the sweet potato hash. So you're going to put some sweet potato hash down, egg, and then top it with our avocado and, if you would like, salsa.
Would it be fair to say that this is a Southwestern-inspired dish?
You could say that, but if you don't have salsa, then there's nothing really Southwest about it.
Avocado.
Cobb salads aren't Southwest.
Avocados from Mexico.
For me, I'm never going back to regular potatoes.
One thing we didn't mention, great for kids. They can sneak in those vegetables as well, or if they only want the eggs and the avocado, then that's fine too. So hopefully you'll have a couple days if you can venture out to the store or see what's in your pantry, and you can make this for the upcoming weekend.
Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time for another Meal with the Missus.